Could you tell us about how you started and what you did? Then we can go on to...
Well, how we started. First, I would say corporate social responsibility should not be corporate social responsibility. It should be willingness. It should come from heart. When you say responsibility,
Yes.
become somebody responsible for doing the job. I would say other way, it should come from the heart. For every corporate, there should be something, willingness. That's what But what happened with me actually, when I started constructing a new factory at Koregaon, Bhima, I was passing through a village that is called Wada Punarvasan Gaon. It's a rehabilitation village.
All right.
When I used to pass every day, I used to see the village and I say, ये बहुत गंदा है, लोग कुछ सही नहीं है, something should be done. It was just clicking me every day. And I used to think, I am investing so much of money in my new factory, why shouldn't I do something there? So while the factory was going on, I went to the village at my own and I told them, मला सरपंचांना भेटायचं आहे. I met the sarpanch, I spoke to him, and then I thought, yes, there are enormous possibilities that can be done there.
I'll take on that so that you can have the mic. Yes, go ahead, Mr. Prakash.
So we found that enormous things are required to be done there, and we really did. And let me tell you one thing, we have done n number of jobs in just 2 years. The village has been totally Bhagwandari Mukti. Bhagwandari Mukti, you know, is open toilet free. There are no open toilets, nobody goes on the ground, on the open place. We have built toilets in each and every house.
Alright. Now, Mr. Prakash, just to take on from something, you said something very interesting. I would like you to respond to that. You said that corporate social responsibility, the moment you make it as a responsibility, it becomes an issue. It has to come from the heart. Whose heart? Now, you're an entrepreneur. It's very nice that you can take the lead. But now, a person like Mrs. Pujari, you're working for Ballarpur, all right? Now, in a corporate setup, who is the person who has to have the heart to take on corporate social responsibility?
Corporate social responsibility, of course, needs to come from the heart. But I represent a very large organization or a group of companies, which is, today a $3 billion empire in terms of the Gautam Thapar-led group of companies. So it definitely needs to be initiated in the mind of the leader. Definitely. It's definitely a part of that whole thing. But I think that other than that, it is also becoming something that industries need to do. Because I define corporate social responsibility as a way of doing business. It's not about what you do with the money that you make, but it's much more important to understand how you make that money. And whether in that process you're marginalizing or you are constantly stepping on the people who are getting more and more marginalized in the bargain. So your entire processes that you are following in the company, be it processes to do with your environment, be it processes to do with your communities that live around your factories, because they are the ones who are using their water, their air, and so on. So what are the impacts that you have on them? What are the impacts that you have on your marginal suppliers who don't have a big voice in the whole process? So these are also as important as saying I make profits any which way, but I give to charity. I think both these, in case of large companies, is becoming increasingly important because we are living in a world that is so much under the microscope today with the information technology being what it is. I think it's also a matter of heart, balanced rightly with the right business decisions, because these will take you ahead and make your business more sustainable in the long run. So I look at it as having both dimensions. It's coming from the heart. In case of smaller businesses, obviously, or medium-sized businesses, obviously something that is much more, from the chairperson's perspective or the owner-promoter's perspective. But today, business realities are also making it.
Very important point that she has raised is something called business reality. Now, if you look at what the results of the past, what big businesses have been doing for the past few years, is it that greater scrutiny, lack of trust of the community in bigger businesses? You know, we have had disasters, environmental disasters, people have lost lives, and normally the society has allowed business to do business, but over the past few years, they have found that they cannot trust business anymore. So we have the NGO sector taking on the role of a watchdog. Now, is it because of greater scrutiny from various sectors that organizations have woken up. Like, okay, Mr. Prakash's experience is something very different. As an entrepreneur, he saw something, he did something. What Yashasvi has said is that it has to come from the leaders, yes. But your role as an NGO, what do you expect from the corporates so that they can fulfill something called the corporate social responsibility?
I think if you look at in 1980s and early 90s, I would say yes, it was really a watchdog kind of a role that we played, but over the years it has changed. We are looking at partnership, and also in I think the globalization, lot of multinational and transnational organizations coming to different countries for cheap labor raised a lot of issues in EU and USA and other countries like that. One, the workers themselves showing solidarity. Two, because they were protectionists also. So that is how the whole issue of labor and standardization of labor and standardization of working conditions started. So I think over a period of time we have evolved, and hopefully we are looking at much more a partnership with the corporate. It is not still happening, the corporate partnership. I would sometime during today's discussion I'll talk about it. But so it is a different, in some cases definitely a watchdog, some cases we cooperate, and in some cases we partner. So we have a different roles to play, and it's very difficult to say corporate as one body, because it involves such a enormous and different kind and diversified diversity within the corporate. So depending on that, we take a role.
Prakash, I would like to bring this, she said that corporates are, a very amorphous lot. But the corporate is also a moral person. We are talking about corporate citizens, right? Now, as an entrepreneur, have you experienced anything different from in your attitude towards social responsibility with the big MNCs that you deal with in the course of your business, and your own view about corporate social responsibility?
Well, I'll share a small incident.
Yes.
I had visitors from Germany to visit my company. Two of them were there. And during we went around the factory, I showed them, they were very excited. When they stepped in the company, they said, well, Prakash, we came to Bombay, it was too, clumsy, congested. I've come to Pune, it's little comfortable. But when I come to your company, I think I will, it was the first impression he left. I was very happy and great. I said, thank you. Then I told him we are working something for the village very next to me, just half a kilometer. For really, you do work for a village also? Can we go? I said, fantastic, please come. So I called the Sarpanch, I said, Ami, 4 loko yetoy. Sir, yeah, he immediately cleaned the office, we went. And as routine in Pune, we do feta and all. And he was excited. We took the photograph book. Then when we coming back to Pune on the same car, we were driving to there. I said, what do you do? I told him what. He said, after 5 minutes, they discussing their own language. He said, can we do something
For the village.
for the village? I said, fantastic. Most welcome. Then they again discussed. I said, okay, we'll do one thing. I'll give you €1 cent per kg. €1 cent per kg of the product that we buy. That is 56 paisa per kilo. And they buy in container loads. So every container I send, now I get 11,500 rupees
For the development purposes.